Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Rahul here, and today's video is about how to use offset command. Okay, so let's get started. Take this new file and our command is here offset. Now it is in invisible format, so first of all we have to create some sketch. Click on the sketch, select plane, sketch view, take this plane and draw it over from here like this. Click on OK. Next, click on this extrude. Okay, your extrude is created. Click on green tick mark. Surface is generated, and now here you can see the offset command is activated. Click on this offset. Click on reference. Select the surface and mention the distance. How should be it offsetted from the main surface? I would like to 50. Enter 50 over there. See the preview. Again resume, edit it, make or enter instead of 50, 20. Here you can see the next surface generated at distance of 20 millimeter from the first surface. Okay, check this preview. Click on green tick mark. Here you can see same sheet is generated or offsetted. Okay, right click on this, edit definition. Now from here click on this automatic fit. You can fit it automatically like this. Okay, click on this green tick mark. Okay, now this offset sheet is automatically fitted in this. Here you can see this is all about how to use offset command. And thank you very much friend for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel if you are new on this channel.